Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off calendar auto backup on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon at the top corner. Next, in here you want to scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Then go to the Samsung Cloud section and tap on Backup Data. Next, go down and tap on Calendar. Tap on the toggle button to turn off Auto Backup, or tap on the switch to turn it back on. And that's it. If you want to immediately back up to the cloud, tap on the Backup Now button, and this will allow the phone to immediately back up to the cloud. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.